初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
请给我们一张两人桌。
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window?
我们可以坐在窗边吗？
Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window?
May I see the menu?
May I see the menu?
我可以看看菜单吗？
May I see the menu?
May I see the menu?
Do you have today's specials?
Do you have today's specials?
你们有今日特色菜吗？
Do you have today's specials?
Do you have today's specials?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
你有什么推荐的吗？
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
这道菜辣吗？
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have vegetarian options?
你们有素食选择吗？
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Can I order a soup?
Can I order a soup?
我可以点一份汤吗？
Can I order a soup?
Can I order a soup?
I would like a salad.
I would like a salad.
我想要一份沙拉。
I would like a salad.
I would like a salad.
I will have the chicken, please.
I will have the chicken, please.
请给我来一份鸡肉。
I will have the chicken, please.
I will have the chicken, please.
Can I change the side dish?
Can I change the side dish?
我可以换配菜吗？
Can I change the side dish?
Can I change the side dish?
Please make it less salty.
Please make it less salty.
请少放点盐。
Please make it less salty.
Please make it less salty.
Can I have extra sauce?
Can I have extra sauce?
我可以多要一些酱汁吗？
Can I have extra sauce?
Can I have extra sauce?
I would like some rice.
I would like some rice.
我想要一些米饭。
I would like some rice.
I would like some rice.
Do you serve dessert?
Do you serve dessert?
你们供应甜点吗？
Do you serve dessert?
Do you serve dessert?
What drinks do you have?
What drinks do you have?
你们有什么饮料？
What drinks do you have?
What drinks do you have?
I will have a glass of water.
I will have a glass of water.
我要一杯水。
I will have a glass of water.
I will have a glass of water.
Can I get some tea?
Can I get some tea?
我可以要一些茶吗？
Can I get some tea?
Can I get some tea?
Do you have fresh juice?
Do you have fresh juice?
你们有新鲜果汁吗？
Do you have fresh juice?
Do you have fresh juice?
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
请给我一杯咖啡。
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Can we order some bread?
Can we order some bread?
我们可以点一些面包吗？
Can we order some bread?
Can we order some bread?
I need a fork and spoon.
I need a fork and spoon.
我需要一把叉子和勺子。
I need a fork and spoon.
I need a fork and spoon.
Can I get another plate?
Can I get another plate?
我可以再要一个盘子吗？
Can I get another plate?
Can I get another plate?
Could you bring some napkins?
Could you bring some napkins?
你能拿些餐巾纸来吗？
Could you bring some napkins?
Could you bring some napkins?
May I have more water?
May I have more water?
我可以再要一些水吗？
May I have more water?
May I have more water?
How long will the food take?
How long will the food take?
食物需要多久才能上桌？
How long will the food take?
How long will the food take?
Can I get my order to go?
Can I get my order to go?
我可以打包带走吗？
Can I get my order to go?
Can I get my order to go?
The food is very delicious.
The food is very delicious.
食物非常美味。
The food is very delicious.
The food is very delicious.
Can I get some ketchup?
Can I get some ketchup?
我可以要一些番茄酱吗？
Can I get some ketchup?
Can I get some ketchup?
I need a little more sugar.
I need a little more sugar.
我需要再多一点糖。
I need a little more sugar.
I need a little more sugar.
Can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill?
我们可以分开付款吗？
Can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
你们接受信用卡吗？
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
我可以用现金支付吗？
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
May I see the bill, please?
May I see the bill, please?
请给我看看账单好吗？
May I see the bill, please?
May I see the bill, please?
Is service included?
Is service included?
服务费包括在内吗？
Is service included?
Is service included?
Can I leave a tip?
Can I leave a tip?
我可以留下小费吗？
Can I leave a tip?
Can I leave a tip?
The meal was wonderful.
The meal was wonderful.
这顿饭很棒。
The meal was wonderful.
The meal was wonderful.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
谢谢你的服务。
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
We will come back again.
We will come back again.
我们会再来的。
We will come back again.
We will come back again.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
再见，祝你有美好的一天。
Goodbye and have a nice day.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。